Hello everyone, it's Original C3 back in our video. In today's video, we got new wheel and tire setup on the Suzuki. So yeah, it's been pretty awesome. It's the 2006 Suzuki Eiger, and now we are on some 29.5 Outlaws. So yeah, the 32s I had on it, they kept getting like, I got a little hole in one, which I'm just gonna sell it. But yeah, which they look pretty dang good. I like them. They're definitely a heavier tire, so we'll see how it does. But yeah, so if you guys enjoy the video, remember guys, like and subscribe, and we're just gonna get right on with the video. And also, you might be wondering, why do you have baking soda and a Coca-Cola? Yeah, we're gonna try to explode it real quick, so I guess you guys will be able to see how this works out. We got another one, just in case if it fails. So yeah, I wanted Mentos, but I couldn't find any Mentos at the store we went to, so you know, just can use some baking soda, because that's what we had, and I guess it also works. So right now I'm trying to decide if we just dump on the baking soda and like don't put the cap on or put the cap back on. I think put the cap on and throw it on the ground. It's kind of what I'm thinking.
Oh,
we're gonna have to find that.
yeah, we are.
Yeah, it went pretty high. It was like some of those tree height, and it was like pretty far. I mean, I don't know how much of it you can see on video, but yeah, we're gonna do it again. Okay, so for round two, we took out a little bit more soda so we can add more powder and hopefully get the cap back on, and then slam it on the ground and make it go kaboom.
That was fair.
That didn't work. Okay, we're finally out here, which I can tell you one thing. These 29.5 Outlaws definitely ride more rough than them 32s. Some 32s actually didn't ride bad because it's soft tire. But yeah, all they need is a patch. So if anyone's in like the Hudson-ish area, Florida, let me know and I'll sell them. So yeah, I want to get like $750-ish out of them. I'll be pretty happy. But yeah, cut 32-inch Terminators. I'd like to sell them. So yeah. So we don't have a side-by-side or another four-wheeler out here, so we're just gonna be kind of driving around on them because don't really want to get stuck when I really have nobody out here to get me out. So yeah, we're kind of just gonna be ripping this thing around and having some fun on them. Which is a heavy tire, but the old Suzuki still scoots with them pretty dang good. Oh yeah, and off to the side of the trails, I've actually been making some more trails. I've been just pushing through here. Start making my own trails. Okay, which way? It's still kind of getting pushed down, so don't be too judgmental. Okay, which way did I go? I went this way. I see more trails that way I was doing. But yeah, I was just starting to make random trails through here at the four-wheelers. Okay, go this way too. Not usually a four-wheeler you'd probably be doing this with. Making some trails, but don't do bad. Whoop. There we go. These Outlaws throw though. That's for sure. Yeah, but I've been thinking about also selling a Kodiak, so if anyone wants a Kodiak, I'm putting a big gun exhaust on it, and you guys know what it is probably, you can watch my other videos. But yeah, I'm probably going to be selling it. I don't know, I just want to move on to something else, I guess. So yeah, if anyone else wants that, let me know too. So yeah, we should have also the side-by-side out here in a few days where we can actually take it in a swamp and stuff, and actually doing some full mudding, but yeah, so this is kind of just like a little update video, talking around, having a little bit of fun driving around. But one of the main reasons I want to sell the Kodiak is because that will be able me to, you know, make some better truck content with big turbos, injectors and stuff in the 7.3. Just something I kind of want to do. And also have off-road content, obviously, because of the Suzuki. But yeah, so it'll be fun. I don't know, that's kind of what I've been thinking. Trying to figure out what went through here. Something with tracks. So I see actual tracks and tracks. And then everything's flattened down over here, so I don't know what we're gonna be able to see over here, but See how far it went. Okay. A little bit more of the trail. I have no clue. I still see more tracks. I wonder if anything at the mud hole or something's gonna have anything different. Well, the tracks went that way, and I don't see much different over here. I don't know. Got some of this is drying up. That's probably not too bad of mud. Got a puddle through here. And that has some water in it. Oh wait, oh, that's over there. Yeah, that's right there with a little bit of water. Yeah, I can't wait to test these Outlaws. I hope they can spin it, but yeah, because this stock clutches and stuff, and it spun a 32, so the 32s were a little bit lighter than these, but I think it should still be good. Okay, here we go. Ready? Send it. Yeah, see, this thing's still scooting pretty dang good with the big tires on it. Yeah, this thing has stock gear and stuff. But I still can't wait to see this thing in a mud with these. I'll tell you what, these old Suzuki Agers are definitely underrated four-wheelers for sure. This ride's so bumpy with these Outlaws though. So if you're trail riding, definitely don't put Outlaws on your stuff because it rides bad. I mean, also a 2006 four-wheeler, but still. Shouldn't ride this bad with them. So bumpy. Oh geez, that threw all the way over there. Dang, it throws. So fun throwing stuff with this old four-wheeler. So reliable too. Never have issues with this thing. But yeah, so I think we're gonna end the video here. So remember guys, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out, later.